Hi friends! Who wants to learn the alphabet with me? If you do, come along, let's go!
A is for alligator, big and green. With a wide smile, he's the jungle king seen. B is for bear, cuddly and brown. He hugs his friends and dances around. C is for cat, with stripes so neat. She purrs and plays with tiny feet. D is for dog, wagging his tail, chasing his ball along the trail. E is for elephant, so big and wise, with floppy ears and gentle eyes. F is for fox, fast and sly. She runs through woods quiet as the sky.
Subscribe to Bruno's channel.
G is for giraffe, so very tall. She eats green leaves and sees it all. H is for hippo, round and wide, splashing in rivers with joy and pride. I is for iguana, green and slow. He climbs a tree so smooth and low. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, lighting the ocean like outer space. K is for kangaroo, jumping high, with a joey inside, reaching the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar, but deep inside he's kind at the core.
Share this video with your friends to help Bruno.
M is for monkey, swinging with glee. He loves bananas and climbing the tree. N is for narwhal, unicorn of the sea. With a twirly horn, he swims so free. O is for owl, so smart and bright. He reads his books deep into the night. P is for penguin, sliding on snow. With a wobble and a giggle, off he goes. Q is for quail, tiny and quick. She hides in grass and runs real slick. R is for rabbit, hopping in fun, in meadows and gardens under the sun.
Subscribe now and join Bruno's learning adventure.
S is for snake, slithering slow, in patterns and waves wherever he goes. T is for turtle, calm and shy, with a shiny shell he walks by. U is for unicorn, sparkling and bright, galloping fast in magical light. V is for vulture, gliding up high, soaring in circles across the sky. W is for whale, singing so deep, in the ocean blue where secrets sleep. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and small, swimming in waters bright and tall. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. He trots in mountains without a care. Z is for zebra, black and white, running in herds, a beautiful sight.